Pushing your limits, stretching your capabilities, welcoming the burn, that's what gym motivational fitness is all about. It's not just about lifting weights or running miles, it's about building a stronger, healthier, more confident you. Gym motivational fitness isn't just for the athletes or the bodybuilders. It's for anyone who has the courage to step out of their comfort zone. It's for anyone who's ready to fight for their health, their happiness, and their life. Every day is a chance to better yourself, to push a little harder, to go a little further. Gym motivational fitness is about harnessing that chance, about turning every opportunity into a stepping stone towards your goals. It's about making the most of every single day. Fitness isn't a destination, it's a journey. And like any journey, there will be obstacles. But gym motivational fitness isn't about avoiding those obstacles, it's about tackling them head on. It's about proving to yourself that you're stronger than you think. Remember, it's not about how heavy you lift or how fast you run. It's about how hard you're willing to work, how much you're willing to sacrifice. Gym motivational fitness is about dedication and determination, about passion and perseverance. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when the weights feel too heavy and the miles too long. But that's when gym motivational fitness really comes into play. It's about digging deep, about finding that last bit of energy when you thought you had none left. And at the end of the day, it's not just about the physical results. It's about the mental transformation, the newfound confidence, the sense of achievement. Gym motivational fitness is about empowering yourself, about realizing that you're capable of so much more than you thought. So step into the gym, lace up those shoes, and get ready to unleash your potential. Gym motivational fitness isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to yourself, to your health, and to your happiness. Don't wait for tomorrow, for next week, for next year. The time for change is now. Embrace gym motivational fitness and take control of your life. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. And did you know? Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're all in this together, pushing each other, motivating each other, inspiring each other. Gym motivational fitness is about community, about support, about lifting each other up. So let's get started. Let's turn our dreams into goals, our goals into plans, and our plans into action. Let's embrace gym motivational fitness and become the best versions of ourselves. Because we can, because we will, and because we're worth it.